How much does a car accident lawyer cost?
If someone's involved in an accident in New Jersey and they need to hire a New Jersey lawyer, they can pay that lawyer on what's called a contingency fee basis. Now, you can always hire a lawyer by paying them by the hour, irregardless of whether you win or lose the case. The difference is when a lawyer is hired on a contingency fee basis, he is paid or she is paid based upon their performance. The more they recover for you, the more they get paid. If they lose a case, they do not get paid a legal fee. So generally, most people involved in car accidents or other injury cases do hire lawyers on a contingency fee basis because it gives the lawyer the incentive to try to achieve the highest settlement available or possible for that injured person. This fee is regulated by a New Jersey court rule which sets forth the exact amounts that can be charged. In New Jersey, lawyers can charge 1/3 for the first $750,000. Above that, the percentage starts to decrease for each amount above $750,000.